Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this presentation, we are going to see how you should have applied our positional day trading strategy on Friday. So, as you all know that applying our positional day trading strategy requires you to follow certain rules, which as a continuous follower and as a client, you know what are the rules which you should follow. If you are a new visitor, please go to our website online commodity trading mcx.com or to YouTube channel Goodwill Commodities, where you can see all the video updates. Now let us go and see what happened Friday and how you should have applied this strategy. You can see this red long dropped candlestick that indicates Friday's price opening. As you all know, whenever I place the cursor on any candlestick, you can see the date and time below. So this indicates yesterday, last week, that was Friday's price opening, and you know that whenever the price was staying above this green line, you are going to take only buy. You buy and sell. If it is staying below the green line, you can sell and buy. But if there is any spike down opening, what we had told you, wait for the price to just test this, just touch this lower band. So then you can enter into the trade. So you can see that the lower band is dropping down, and we had told you whenever there is this type of price opening, wait for the price to just touch the lower band. Whenever it is going to touch the lower band, you should see the color. It should show that as red color if it is a selling. So now let us see, here is the area where the price tested this lower band, and next thing the price just came down below this green line, which provided us a clear indication that you can go for selling. So here every person, just a minute, I will draw a line in order to identify easily. So you can see that this is the particular area where you would have gone short in the market. So now let us see that where you will place the stop loss, just 5 points above this green line you can place your stop loss. That is what we had told you. Now you can see slowly the price is moving down, and also the upper band, you can see this upper band. So this band, this white color band is also moving down. So we are more focused on decreasing your loss, so you should decrease this stop loss. Initially you know where you had placed your stop loss. Now we are going to decrease your stop loss. So in the same way, why we are following this strategy, and everybody knows that now you can see the stop loss is running in profit. So even if you are stopped out, you get something just because of trading. I am going to delete this line. So you can see this is a trailing stop loss where we are going to manage your risk, and also you are protecting your profit. So as always we say that trading is all about how you manage your risk. So I'm going to delete it, and it would have given you a sufficient profit in this particular entry. So we'll be waiting for the next entry, see where you would have decreased your stop loss. This is the best way of managing your risk and increasing your profit. So the next entry we will wait for that. Here it had provided some blue signals. We are not going to take it, as the rule says anything below the green line you are going to be a sell only guy. So now you can see that we'll be waiting for the next signal. See, it had provided some other entry points where very well you can take that by placing a stop loss on the upper band. Now you can see the market was forming a bottom. So you can see how many times it is testing and giving a bounce back. In this particular area we are not going to take this call, and here comes the point where we are waiting for. We had told you that whenever the price is testing the green line, just 5 points above that you can go for an entry. So now you can see the market entered into 5 points, so you would have been into the trade, and your stop loss should be just 5 points below the green line. So just follow our daily presentation, video presentations carefully, and it had provided you some sufficient profit. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to delete it. So it had provided you some sufficient profit. So slowly you can see this lower band, this band is moving up. You can modify your stop loss. Always you should modify your stop loss. See, even if you are stopped out here, for example you are waiting for a very big profit and you are floating your position, and we want to make this point very clearly in all the video presentation. We try to convey this message where you should book your profit. that depends upon the available fund you have in your trading account, and also based upon your objective, that is how much you want, based upon the fund you have in your trading account, how much profit you want to make every day. That is the area where which can answer your question. Now let us move on, and you can see the market had provided us a sell signal also. Now let us see, it had also provided some good profit here. So why we are saying that this is a valuable sell signal, just because you can see just below the lower band and also just below the green line, which shows that is a very good indication for selling. Now let us go back and see whether we can, yes, here if you see that after crossing this green line, the market just gave a pumped above 5 points, which means that we would have been into the trade here. In this particular area we would have entered, and where we would have placed our stop loss. Now you see that 5 points below the green line approximately. I am drawing it, I am not calculating and doing anything. I know the grid, all the grids are 5 points, so I can approximately I am doing this. So now let us see what happened. So here you can see the stop got triggered. So out of see, this is the first time we are triggered, we got triggered with our stop loss. So in this particular case, I had told you, once the stop loss got triggered, this 5 point stop loss got triggered, if the next time if the price is moving above this the same 5 point, what we should do, whether right away we can try it for the next time, and how we should manage that risk. In the earlier last week presentation, we faced this type of situation where I had explained you clearly. Now I am going to do that again. So here what we do is that approximately after breaking this green line, it changes color to blue. So 5 points above this should be your entry point. So what we will do is that once the stop loss got triggered, and the next time if it is going the same direction, we will increase our risk by going below the lower band. Now we will move our stop loss below the lower band, and we will do a trading, we will continue our trading. So this is the best way to avoid consolidation movements. So we had done a lot of work on avoiding these consolidation markets. So you can see how we had avoided this particular area. So you can see that the price was consolidating here, and the market closed in this zone. This is the next day, that was on Saturday. So I am going to delete this line in order to avoid confusion. So this is the way to follow our positional day trading strategy, because our whenever the price was consolidating, you get maximum of 3 signals if you follow this positional day trading method. But as we always say that we have individual one-to-one training session for clients. So if you are our client, please fix an appointment. We conduct web-based training session, so the location is not a criteria for us. So anywhere in India you can contact us, but if you are our client, we support by this platform. If you are just a viewer, what you should do is that just open a trading account with us. All these charting things and everything is coming to you for free if you have a trading account with us. So please open a trading account and enjoy trading like a pro. So thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.